Hello my friend, this video will show you how to upgrade the system. First of all, you need to download the file to the USB flash driver and then insert it to the USB port behind the screen, right here. This one. We insert the USB port. Okay. And then we access device beacon. The set, here is a set, and here upgrade, we choose upgrade, just choose upgrade. It will show this one, this document, okay, and we choose upgrade, okay, and then wait. Okay, and save. And after that, please unplug, take off the USB flash driver. Okay, and then restart the machine. Okay, thank you.